Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another makeup look for you guys, and I haven't done any makeup looks in a while, and I've been mainly focusing on doing reviews. And the last makeup tutorial I made was well, if you count the no makeup makeup look where I spoke about the TEAMI facial scrub, then that's the last look I did. But that was a more natural look. That was something that you could wear like every day, or the days where you don't want to apply makeup. But I really wanted to oh no, actually I did the Jeffree Star video, it's true, I forgot. But I wanted to try color today, and I've been wanting something sexy, something something that you could wear to go out, and I came up with this look right here. If you guys can see this look right here, it came out okay. So I hope you liked the look I created. So I did I mention I used the, you can see my light, the Morphe 35B palette. This palette is gorgeous. So if you guys want to see, oh, I'm also gonna put swatches of the palette at the end of the video, and I will put a timestamp here and in the description box for you guys if you guys wanted to see the swatches. So yeah, so if you guys want to see how I created this very smoky eye look, then just keep on watching. I'm going to start by prepping my eyelids because I didn't do that. I've got some creasing going on there because I haven't set my lids yet. And I've been trying something new lately with my looks, going with a sticky base. So I'm barely going to set that with powder. So a sticky base is going to make the shadows pop. You definitely are going to get that pigmentation. So this is the brush that I use to set my under eye area. So with the remaining powder, I am going to set that very lightly, and I'm gonna do the same on the other side. I'm gonna go straight in with a bold color. So I have two brushes here, and I love these two. One is from Sigma and the other one is from ZOMEI. So I'm gonna go in with this beautiful purple color here, called Grape, what's it called? Pop? Yeah, for Grape Pop. This one right here, I'm gonna pick it up with the tip of my brush, and I'm going to go with very minimal product here, and I'm gonna dab that right in the crease area like so. I'm gonna switch brushes because I find that brush is way too wide. I'm gonna go in with this one, which is smaller compared to the one I was working with, and I'm gonna bring it in all the way into the inner corner here. If you're using a sticky base and your eye is creasing, lift your brow to get in there. So lift your brow, and then with the blending, it's going to even out. Okay, so I love the intensity of the purple, but as you guys can see, if I look straight ahead, it kind of disappears a little. So I'm gonna bring that up. I'm gonna take more of that shade, and I'm going to look straight and just focus this right above that crease area. Very, very gently. I'm gonna grab a clean brush, and I'm gonna dive. Let's go and grab this beautiful orangey color right here. Take that with my brush, which is called Sunshine, and remove the excess, and we are going to focus that once again right above that crease area, so right there. My boyfriend is doing I don't know what. Wow, this orange color is beautiful. I'm gonna go back to my small brush I used for this one right here, and I'm gonna pick up that same grape pop shade, and I'm gonna go back and apply a little bit more of that purpley shade and blend it in with the orange, like so. For the lid, I have a couple of ideas, but I don't know what to do. So I'm gonna go in with this color right here called Frosty from the 35B palette. This one right here, it's beautiful. To give it a pop, I'm gonna go in with a pencil, eye pencil, which is this one right here from NYX. I didn't know that you had to sharpen these. I thought you could twist this part here, this end, but apparently you have to sharpen it, but it's plastic, isn't it? I have no idea. Anyways, to make that shadow pop, I'm gonna go in with this NYX Jumbo Pencil, this one right here. It's a beautiful shade. It's called Rust. So I'm gonna apply that all over the lid area, and I'm just gonna first apply it like so all over the lid, all the way to the inner corner and up. This is beautiful. And then we are going to blend this so it meshes seamlessly. I think I'm gonna go in with a brush, and I have the perfect brush. I'm gonna go in with this brush here, which is from ZOMEI. It's the wing liner brush, and I'm just going to apply that all the way in here, just because I need to blend this area, like so. So I am just packing this in, and later on we are going to worry about blending. The only thing I have to do is blend, but first I'm gonna go in with the shadow, and I'm just going to pick it up with my finger, which looks like this, very pretty. And I'm going to press that into the lid, like so. Super pretty. Okay, all right, so I patted that in, and now what I'm gonna do is blend it with the purple color, the purple shadow that we used initially, so that it meshes nicely together. I'm just removing the powder underneath. Alright, I think I'm going to go in with the same colors on the lower lash line, but I think I want to use a little bit of this beautiful pink color right here, and I'm going to apply that with a very small brush. this one right here, like so. And then I'm going to use the rest of the colors that I used on the eye. But first I am going to apply this here. It is so beautiful. Guys, this palette has almost no fallout. Now I'm going to go in with this small pencil brush here. Focus. And I'm going to grab that same purple. I'm going to grab this purple again, this one. And I'm going to smoke out the lower lash line with that. I'm going to apply that right below the pink. Just right there. And I'm taking a very small brush so it doesn't really disturb the blue. And while I do that, I connect that to this inner corner. I mean the outer corner here, like so. I'm gonna grab this brush that I use the orange shade, and I'm just going to apply that below. Alright, so I'm gonna apply lashes and do my brows and finish this eye, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so brows and lashes are done, and I wore the Morphe Rodeo lashes, and I don't know if I like them. I trimmed them and I don't know, you can barely see them. So I'm almost done. The only thing is I'm going to do the lips, and I think I want to try something crazy today. Should I go with this fuchsia color? I'm gonna go in with this pencil by Paris Hilton, and I've never tried this one before, but I think it would be pretty with this look. So I'm gonna line my lips. It comes with a lip gloss as well, which I'll show you in a minute. But I thought this color is super fun. Oh my god, I love this lip pencil. This one right here. And it actually comes with this lip gloss. It came in this little kit. It has this, oops, oh, it's opened. What the hell? It comes with the glitter, which I don't know where you're supposed to put this glitter in. So it comes with this glitter here, and it comes with a lip gloss, which is beautiful as well. But I think I like matte better for this look. I don't know. So I am very impressed. Oh my god. And that, guys, completes this smoky eye makeup look. Alright, so here are the swatches starting from the first row. Here they are. We have chalk, pillow, heart, wildberry, moss boss, ink, and finally deep dive. Okay, let's move on to the second row. So we have here, if it would focus, hello, there you go. We have pale, which is the first one right here, bubblegum, we have lollipop, which is a beautiful shimmery shade, pixie, very nice too, apple cider, we have lavender, and finally we have Sky. Alright, now moving on to the third row, which is this one right here, obviously. Here are the swatches. So first up we have Fairy, very nice shimmer color. We have Smoothie, we have Pom Pom, we have Fuchsia, which is beautiful. This green one is called Ziggy. This one is called Purplish. And I think one of my favorite colors of this palette is this one right here called Azure. I don't know. This one. Pretty. Alright, so moving on to the fourth row. I have to admit that these kind of stain your fingers, so make sure you use primer, not go straight with the shadow. So this is the fourth row. We've got this beautiful, I mean, look how beautiful this color is. This is just amazing. That one is called Lemonade. Beautiful shimmery shade. After that comes Brilliant. We have Shikori, something like that. Bikini, which is beautiful too. This one is called Earthy. We have Grape Pop that I used for my makeup look that I did. And finally, Denim. This one is kind of weird though. So that's the fourth row. And finally we have the fifth row. Here are the swatches. So this beautiful yellowy color, not yellowy, yellow color is called Sunshine. We have Watermelon, which is a nice shimmer as well. Love that. Up next comes Puffs. Here we have Beats Me. Then Forest. We have Frosty, which I used on the lid. Very pretty. And finally, we have Pebble, which is like this black shadow. I have to admit some of the swatches were not that great, but sometimes using it with a brush and blending makes a huge difference. So there you have it, guys, the 35B palette. I hope you like my video. Please like and subscribe. And as always, take care, and I'll catch you in my next video.